In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Grow a Garden Discord server on a mobile device. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. It could be Google or Safari, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open it up. Alright, then from here, all you want to do is you want to type in Roblox Grow a Garden Discord just like so. So please go ahead and press on that. Then go ahead and select on the first option just like so. You just want to go ahead and press on it like this. And by the way, if you never went ahead and made a Discord account before or even downloaded the Discord app, please make sure to go ahead and do so on the App Store if you're on an iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. And it is completely for free, Discord. But anyways, guys, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on accept invite just like so. Alright guys, and then from there, it is now going to go ahead and give you this menu over here so you guys can go ahead and sign yourself up for giveaway pings. Basically, it is going to give you a notification. So if you guys want pings, for example, you guys can get pinged, and that basically is going to give Discord a notification every time there's like a giveaway, an announcement, an event, or a chat revival. So that is completely up to you. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and select on skip, and then you guys can go ahead and select on what seeds that you want to be notified on. So again, you guys could pick it from here. We have all the different seeds, and you just want to go ahead and press on skip or whichever one you do want. And then from there, it is going to ask you what weather/egg do you want to be notified about. So please go ahead and select whichever one you want, or you can go ahead and select all of them. It really is up to you. But for this video, let's just go ahead and select on common summer egg. Then let's go ahead and press on next. And yeah, from here, you guys are now able to go ahead and chat with other players who also play Grow a Garden on Discord. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.